Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. Not so much of a makeup tutorial, but more I want to do a review of this product. I was lucky enough to receive this product from a Japanese company. I've been trying it for about 1 month now. So it's a really cool product and I wanted to share it with you guys and just show you guys how to use it, how to apply it. It's like a pre-base cream called Fairy Cover, and this is the product right here. I'll show you guys a close-up. You basically just apply it before you put on your makeup. I would say it's very similar to a primer. It basically smooths out your skin. It fills in all your pores. It creates a perfect base or a perfect foundation for applying your makeup, and your makeup will apply almost like flawlessly. I've used it today. I've applied my foundation on today and it looks super smooth. I'm really happy with it. I didn't even need to put a primer on, and usually I never wear foundation without a primer. I'll demonstrate later on when I get into the video, when I start doing the makeup, how I applied it, and then how I did my makeup after that. The two ingredients which really struck out to me in this product is, number one, that it has a vitamin C derivative. Vitamin C is one of my favorite ingredients. I mean, not only does it taste good to eat in oranges and fruits and stuff like that, but it's super good for you. It's so good for your skin. I use a vitamin C serum at night, every night as well. Because it has a vitamin C derivative in here, it helps to smooth out your skin and just even everything out. So it helps to reduce any dark spots or pigmentation on your skin, and it works really well for that. Another ingredient that this Fairy Cover has, which really struck out to me and I think is the active ingredient for this product, it's called Sin-Ake. Sin-Ake is a peptide that's found in a certain type of snake's venom. When applied topically to your skin, it actually has amazing benefits for your skin. It has amazing anti-aging benefits. So what it does is it kind of firms up your skin and it prevents any wrinkles that might be coming on. It also helps to reduce the appearance of any fine lines. It firms up the muscle tone of your skin. It's really interesting because a lot of countries in Asia are starting to use this ingredient in a lot of their products. In Japan, in Korea, in China, they're starting to use this ingredient in their face creams, in serums. And I wanted to show you guys how it's been working for me. So here's a close-up picture of my cheek. On the left side, I'm just wearing foundation and you can kind of see some pores that are showing through. On the right side, I've applied the Fairy Cover cream first and then my foundation after. And my skin looks overall much more smooth. The pores are less visible and it's more evened out. And in this picture as well, you can see on the side of my nose where I'm just wearing foundation alone, you can see the pores are quite visible, and whereas on the right side with the Fairy Cover cream, they've totally smoothened out and they're a lot less apparent. So once I apply it to my skin, you guys will see once I get into the video, I start applying it to my skin, and then you can see the difference, how it fills in the pores and then how smoothly my foundation comes on after as well. So if you like to see how I got this look and a little demonstration on how I apply the Fairy Cover cream, please continue watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comments section down below. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys try the Fairy Cover cream. I've been using it for 1 month now and it has become my best friend. You can even wear it without makeup. It just smooths out your skin completely, so it gives you kind of a flawless finish to your skin. This is going to be sold in Takashimaya stores, I think towards the end of this month. And if you've tried this cream, also let me know and then share your experience with me as well. Now let's get into the video. So what I'm going to do first is just apply it on one half of my face. I've already done my eye makeup, but I haven't done anything on my face. I've just put on a moisturizer. It just looks like this. There's no color to it, it's odorless, and it's you only need a really small amount. I'm just gonna apply it on one side first though, just to show you guys the right side compared to the left side. So you wanna kind of rub it in like this so that it fills in your pores as well. This cream can also just be worn on its own, so if you don't want to wear makeup every day but you want something to just smooth out your skin finish, something that's gonna kind of hide your pores. Even right now, as I'm applying it, when I'm just putting it on my skin feels so smooth, like it's crazy. Like when I feel this side versus this side, this is so soft. It feels really nice. So if you guys look at the pores on this side, you can see they're kind of filled in. So you guys can see pores on this side of my face. You can see some pores here. But if you look on this side, you can see like you don't see many pores. It's really filled in. So I don't know if you guys can really tell on camera, but this side feels totally smooth. It's gonna be perfect for applying my makeup. For my foundation will go on really smoothly, as well as my concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the left side as well. You wanna really make sure that you just pat it into your skin. You always try to go from the center outwards. So you can even apply it for your under your eyes. And if you feel like you're getting like fine lines under your eyes, I think it works really well to fill in and just plump up everything in your skin and fill in all those fine lines. I'm going to start applying the rest of my makeup, but we can put it to the test and see how smoothly it goes on. I'm gonna start with a color corrector stick. This is my all-time favorite mascara. It's the drugstore mascara by L'Oreal. It's called Lash Paradise. It is the dupe for the Too Faced mascara, and I think it's awesome. Alright, so I'm just gonna finish off my makeup and start off with some bronzer. I'm gonna use the Chocolate Soleil Too Faced bronzer. Liking how this foundation has applied so smooth, like it's really nice. The Fairy Cover Cream creates such a nice smooth base, like you don't even need primer. This totally fills in all your pores. This smooths out your entire skin. It looks super flawless. All that's left now is lips. I'm gonna put a purpley kind of lipstick on today because we're doing kind of like purpley makeup. So let's do the lips. I've got this lipstick by Makeup Forever. It's the Artist Rouge Cream lipstick in C211. And I love to put a liquid lip in the center because it gives it like such a matte feel in the center. So this is a final look. I hope you guys liked it. The Fairy Cover Cream gave me such a flawless finish to my skin. You guys can see how smooth and how awesome like my foundation. It's not caking anywhere. It's literally, it's flawless. It's gonna be sold in Takashimaya stores towards the end of this month. Let me know what you guys think. Try it out and share your experience with me. I'd love to know what you guys also thought about it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel just to stay updated with all the upcoming videos that I'm gonna be posting on my channel. I love you guys.